In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your JPG images to PDF files completely free and super fast. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even mobile, this method works everywhere. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to a free online JPG to PDF converter. There are many like ilovepdf.com and smallpdf.com. They're secure and work without needing to install anything. On ilovepdf.com, move down and then click JPG to PDF option. Now, click on Select JPG Images or drag and drop your JPG files right onto the page. You can upload single or multiple JPGs. They'll all be combined into one PDF file if you want. Once your images are uploaded, check if the site lets you change the order or orientation. Most tools do. After you're ready, just hit Convert to PDF. Finally, click Download, and that's it. Your JPGs are now combined into a neat PDF file, ready to share, print, or archive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to IT Next, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next tech tips. Comment below if you want to see a tutorial on converting other file formats too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.